Alright, what's going on, guys? It's These Developments here again, and today's a bit of a different video. Instead of a F-150, another rescue, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. My girlfriend's been talking about cutting her muffler off, and she wants something a little louder and everything like that, so, you know, I don't know if she's going to like it, but right here we have our 2008 Honda Accord Inline 4, and pretty good car. So first we'll get the first startup so you can hear what it sounds like. It only has one muffler, so we're only gonna do one muffler delete right here. So we're gonna cut that guy off and then see how she sounds from there. So we're here under the vehicle now, and the actual muffler for the car is kind of weird. It actually comes in here on the right and exits on the left. So after I'm done cutting it off, we're actually gonna take it to a exhaust shop and have them weld on a little downpipe for it or something to make sure it doesn't get in the car or anything like that, because it's not what we would want. So we got enough clearance to cut it. So let's chop this bitch off. It's been a little while since I've done this. There she goes. Now we have a free-flowing muffler. All right, so next we're going to, looks like it's only just hanging on by this hanger. So let's see if we could actually pop this off by hand. Here's one. Honey actually, right before she gave me the keys to the car, she said, "Please don't fuck with the car." So, baby girl, when you're watching this, I got something to tell you. I'm fucking with the car. Oh, what's that? There we go, boys. All right, so here's our muffler. It's actually pretty big and pretty heavy, so it's probably taking out a lot of noise and probably gonna lose a couple miles to the gallon. But if she doesn't like it, it's a clean cut, so she can always put it back on. So now we're gonna get the startup and hear how she sounds. Sounds exactly like classic Honda Racer right there. And that's how you cut an exhaust off. Alright, guys, so we're at the school. My girl's about to get out of class, and we're gonna get her reaction and see if she likes it, or see if she wants to kill me afterwards. So we'll see how it turns out. I haven't drove anywhere.
Oh my god, my car! What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck happened? Wait. Do that again? What the fuck happened? I leave you in my car for 2 hours. What the fuck? Like, what's the issue?
May or may not cut the muffler off, so I mean.
Babe!
That doesn't sound mean though. That sound good though.
I wasn't even like interpreting this was my car. I was just getting in. I was like, okay, let's fucking go. Yeah. So it turns out, do you like it? She likes it. So she doesn't want to kill me.
So she ended up liking it.
Or a hater.
Yeah. So it was, muffler delete was a success. Just got you guys just see my girlfriend's reaction to the muffler delete. So you know. But so we're gonna get on another project real quick. We got my boy's Fusion right here needing a radiator, so we're gonna have to change this guy out. And we're pulling her in the garage, gonna get her worked on. We watched the video. It's definitely a little project. This fan's gonna have to come out. Gonna have to drop a few clips and then get it done. So you guys will see the end result. Make a little time lapse of it going. So let's get her done. What you think? It's gonna be quick. Yes, sir.
Oh, scoop right here. A little scoop right here.
Actually, the next day, I ended up having to take care of some errands and stuff like that. But you guys got to see my girlfriend's reaction and everything. And when we go to change out my boy's radiator, that's actually going to be on another video. But for now, that's just what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. You know, if you want to see more content, please like and subscribe. And like always, thanks for watching.